gorgeous! Today is Saturday and welcome to another vlog. So in today's video, alam niyo naman tayo tuwing weekend, tayo nag-grocery, nag-haul. I think today, pupunta muna kami ng church and then we'll go to Costco, Walmart, probably Asian store kasi birthday ko next week. And si Mama Mirna ay nagtanong sa akin kung anong gusto ko for my birthday and I requested my favorite pancit palabok ala Jollibee style. And ano pa ba? I think lumpiang toge. So I'm sure she'll need to buy more ingredients. And baka mag-Costco nga kami today kasi last week na of September and we plan to stock up for winter a little bit. So yun lang. And ngayon tayo ay mag-makeup. Wala tayong kaayos-ayos. Ito lang yung outfit ko for today. So yan, catch up later. And I'll do more vlogs this weekend kasi marami akong gagawing reviews and contents for my Instagram and my YouTube channel. We are on our way to pick up Mom. Hi, Javi. Yes, he's driving. I'm not driving. Anyway, we're going to Walmart, Costco, and I think that's it. We'll see. Walmart. At tayo ay titingin ng Christmas tree. Christmas tree nila. I don't like big Christmas trees. Well, I like big Christmas trees, pero maliit lang yung bahay namin. So, I kind of like this one, $69. And then this one is cute as well. Ayoko na yung mga snowflakes. Maganda pero medyo like kalbo siya. So, I found the T14. Ito yung white na gusto namin ni Hubby. So, I'll get this kasi $39 lang. Tapos pre-lit pa siya. Alright, let's get one. White kasi it's easier to change ng motif or theme every year. So, hanap tayo ng mga Christmas balls. This is so nice and cute. I think it lights up. Mga Christmas balls. Meron silang mga Christmas lights here. Ganda ng mga ribbons. Christmas skirt. Tulungan ako ni ate. Ayan, maganda. Ang kompleto na. Sana magkasya yung mga ornaments. Pero pa nagkulang tayo, bibin na lang tayo, diba? Perfect. Making blueberry cheesecake and I'm looking for a container. Wala akong makita container dito. We'll see if this works. I'm gonna get this. There's no cover pero okay lang. There's one na may cover. Maybe I should get this. Pili ko ng trash. Ayan. So, tayo ay bibili ng liquor at ng mga kailangan natin sa bahay. Gorgeous. Kami ay nandito na sa aming condo. So, ina-unload namin yung mga pinamili. Ayan. So, medyo magulo ngayon yung storage kasi di ba inayos ko ito last time. But anyway, nandito lahat ng aming mga supplies. Water, toilet paper, and then hindi ko na iaakit to kasi meron para kami para may stock na kami. Hindi ko kailan last minute siya kami mamimili. So, for dishwasher, and then we have oil. Ito Lysol wipes sa Costco. Pack ng water. And then, I think I mentioned this, salt paper. And then, ito yung Christmas tree. So, mamaya namin to, or tomorrow namin to ikakabit siguro. Pero yung ibang gamit na iakit muna namin sa taas. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi ando kami kay ma'am. Kumain kami ng pizza. Alam mo, masarap yung pizza ng Costco. $9 lang isang pack. So, si hubby ay ayun nag-unload din. So, balikan ko kayo later pag akyat. Gorgeous. So, tayo ay nandito naman sa aming munting tahanan o munting bahay. Hi, dear!
Hi!
So, ayun nga. Ipapakita ko ng random. Siguro today, ito-total ko lahat kasama yung Christmas tree, which is nasa plan naman, kaya mag-alala. Para mga naka 250 kami, kasama yung sa Costco. Anyway, it's fine kasi ano naman to, mga kailangan natin. Tsaka yung Christmas tree na binili ko, na dapat, sana bibilin ko yung $70 na 7.5 ata, or 7 feet ata yun. Very skinny. It's really perfect para sa corner. Kaya sabi ni hubby, ayaw niya kasi nga may snowflake. So, naisip ko, pag white yung Christmas tree, mas madaling i-redecorate every year. Like, change yung color or your motif. But anyway, let me show you yung mga items na pinamili ko kasi nga hindi ko na-continue yung vlog kanina. Sobrang daming tao sa Costco kasi makukuha. Hindi ko sure kung bakit pero we were expecting na maraming tao next week kasi dito sa Alaska may nakakuha na PFD or Permanent Dividend Fund yung mga Alaskan residents. So, not everyone I think is eligible, pero if you've lived here for like more than a year ata, depende sa like rolling period or yung months. Okay. Lahat naman yun para sa Alaska residents. Yeah, so ina-expect namin na baka next week mas marami. Kaya nag-decide kami mag-Costco kasi end of the month, diba sabi ko sa previous vlog ko. Pero sobrang daming tao, even yung pizza, waiting is 30 minutes to 1 hour. But anyway, nag-Walmart kami kanina, yung Christmas tree nasa storage na. Pero sisimula ko muna sa mga Walmart groceries namin today. So sa Walmart, ito yung binili ko. Kasi mag-bake ako ng sugar-free brownies, and mag-bake ako ng cheesecake. So, blueberry cheesecake, keto blueberry cheesecake. Bibigyan ko si Angel, tsaka, kasi birthday niya today. Happy birthday, girl. Yun. Tsaka, meron ako extra sa parating na Thanksgiving or holiday season. So, ayan. Naka-rollback naman yan, mura. Kaya binili ko na rin. Sweetener na ginagamit ko for baking. Syempre, Great Valley lang tayo para mura. Pero masarap naman yan, guys. And then, almond flour. Bibili ko sana isang brand. I forgot the name of the brand. Parang red something. Pero, ito ginagamit ko ever since. So, okay na rin para sa akin ito. Kasi gagawa ko ng blueberry cheesecake. And then, I bought cream cheese. I was gonna get the, fat-free. Pero, parang masasarap talaga to. Kasi yung fat-free, parang iba yung lasa. Para naman malinamnam yung ating, diba, blueberry cheesecake. So, ayan. Parang $5 yung dalawa. And then, Blue Bonnet, 150 each. So, bumili na ako ng dalawa para may extra tayo butter. Kasi nga, butter is lagi kong ginagamit for pagigisa, cooking, pancake. So, pwede rin tong ilagay sa bread. So, yeah. Next naman sa Walmart ay itong trash can. I mean, not trash can, trash bag na 4 gallons para sa kitchen namin. If you remember, malaking trash can namin before, pero nagbago na nga kami kasi malit lang yung bahay namin, so mas advisable na mas palit lang yung basurahan. Tsaka ayoko nung naiipon kasi nangangamoy talaga mga guys. So anyway, next is Silver Star hooks. I know this is more expensive than the regular ornament hooks, pero magagamit ko to for a long time. Binili ko to sa Temu nakaraan, or if I was able to buy these on Temu, mas mura. Pero syempre, dun tayo sa quality. Kasi, mga Christmas decorations, gusto ko magamit siya for a very long time. So, pag kulang, bibili na lang tayo mga sis. So, ayan. Next ay, itong bow na pang top decor Christmas for the Christmas tree. So, imbes na, instead of using, parang ako nahihirapan magsalita ng English, Tagalog. Anyway, gagamitin ko to for Christmas topper. And first time namin, well, this is the second time that we're putting up a Christmas tree. Pero last year, the Christmas tree was a gift from Christelle, my good friend here in Alaska. And we're very grateful kasi ang ganda talaga ng Christmas tree. Kami siyang snowflake. So, dinonate na lang namin. Mapakinabangan siya ng mga susunod na family, hopefully. But yeah, it was really beautiful. I think I posted some photos sa aking social media account. So, Thank you, Crystal, for that Christmas tree. Super love talaga namin yung ni Dex. But we decided to change it up to color white just because, to me, it's easier to change the motif, just like what I said earlier. So, ito yung Christmas skirt. It's not really a typical skirt. Para siyang color, tree stand color. So, hindi makikita yung parang paa ng Christmas tree. So, we'll see. I hope it fits. Sabi kasi ni ate, mag-fit daw. So, I'm really excited to put up the Christmas tree. So, baka tomorrow ilagay namin yung Christmas tree ni hubby. Or if not tomorrow, baka next week. Kasi, may mga fall decors pa ako dito. Pero I'm gonna get rid of the fall decors. Siguro, mga bandang November. So, ayun. And then for the Christmas ornaments, I just want to keep it simple. And I actually realized na matchy-matchy ito doon sa Christmas topper tsaka sa Christmas skirt. I mean, don't get me wrong guys, I would still use these even if we change motif next week. Ang plan ko next year ay ibang color. So, depende. Kasi nga syempre, ayoko ng gastos. Eh, I'm very traditional. Kaya I think this will be the first time we'll have a white Christmas tree. Kasi even sa Philippines, we've always had a green Christmas tree. Yung talagang parang pine Christmas tree ang color or dark. But anyway, ang isang container ay 26. So, shatter proof daw to. Meaning kahit bumagsak dito masisira. We'll see if hindi enough to, then we'll buy more. Pero this is just like $5.95. So, it's not bad. So, ayun yung mga pinimili namin sa Walmart. Let's proceed to Costco. So, this wasn't on the list, but I forgot to buy this or buy cheese at Walmart. Ito yung binili ko, Tilamok. Ayan. Favorite brand namin to kahit sa ice cream. Pero, just like $8 and some change. Tapos, tatlo na. Pag bumili kayo sa Walmart, ito parang nasa $3 each. So, pareho lang din naman, diba? So, pepper jack, favorite ni hubby. Sharp white cheddar. And then, ang favorite ko naman, medium cheddar. So, pambaon din namin to ng aking asawa. Next ay pork tenderloin dahil ako ay magtatapa. Ang hindi ko nabili ay peeled garlic. So, hindi ko naisip yung kanina sa Walmart kasi sa Costco sobrang daming tao, wala akong makita. Eh, ang Costco kasi syempre hindi naman tulad ng ibang stores. Alam mo sa Pilipinas, parang magtanong na, hi, ate, miss, ganon. Syempre, it's a busy place. It's a busy store. Pero I was able to ask someone, but not about the peeled garlic, about the quinoa. But anyway, hindi ako nakabili noon. So, bibili tayo ng garlic siguro tomorrow. Kasi I think we're gonna head out tomorrow. Kawin lang ni hubby. Bibili ako ng pork tenderloin. Gawin ko siyang tapa. Kasi ang plan ko, gagawa ko ng tapa. Ipapatikim ko kina Cristel. So, parang pa-birthday treat ko sa kanila. Gusto ko matikman nila kung ano ba yung sila kung masarap. Kasi, who knows, if it turns out well, baka magbenta ko ng top silog or whatever, di ba? At dahil ako ay magbe-birthday, ayoko rin mapagod naman. So, ang treat ko na lang sa aking mga ka-office mates on October 4th. October 4th because I'm taking time off on my birthday, which is October 7th. So, pork lumpia. Ito yung sabi ko lagi sa Costco na napakasarap. For me, it's really masarap. So, hindi na ako mag-effort magbalot, guys. Okay na to. Tapos, tofu na 4-pack na siya. Nasa $7 and some change. Let's just say $8. It's still cheaper. Ayan. And then, meron din kaming eggs. Ayan, eggs. Malakas kami sa eggs talaga. Boiled, fried, poached. Kasi, maganda rin, healthy rin naman ang eggs, pero not too much. Especially yung egg yolks, malakas sa cholesterol. So, hina-hina lang pag niitlog tayo. But anyway, favorite talaga namin ng eggs dito sa bahay. And then, Doritos. Nakasave to guys, $5 and some change. So, very affordable. Favorite namin ni hubby ang Doritos. Last time, I think we got the jalapeno, pero ito nacho cheese. Tapos, ididip namin sa sour cream. Very delicious. If maalala nyo sa mga vlogs ko, lagi ako may Triscuit, mga crackers. Tapos, nakita ko sa Costco, mayroon pala nito. Kung tutuusin, mas mura. Kasi 4 boxes. Nasa $11 lang, guys. Isang box ito sa... Ano ba yun? Isang box ito sa Walmart ay like $5 or almost $6. So, hindi ko na, diba? Kasi let's just say, $5 times 4. $20. Nakasave ka ng kung $8 man lang. So, ay pambaon namin ni hubby to. Next is tomatoes. Favorite ko yung tomatoes sa Costco. Kasi, ito yung gusto kong size. Hindi siya cherry size eh. Ito yung parang medium, I think. Or small version. Hindi siya cherry size. Meron malalaki, pero wala sila nun. Pero naisip ko okay to kasi pang breakfast omelette. Tapos lagyan mo ng green onion. Super sarap. Tapos, grapes, seedless na grapes. Mili kami sa grapes dito ni Happy. So, ang binabaon namin lately ay Triscuit, grapes, tsaka cheese. Parang charcuterie ba yun? Charcuterie board, pero nasa ano siya, container. Ganun yung baon namin. And then, of course, organic quinoa, whatever you wanna call it. Quinoa, it's the same. So, we've been eating this. It really helps us sa aming diet. I'm not saying we're losing weight, but we're trying to cut down sa rice, sa sugar. And although we eat ice cream from time to time, but we're trying to cut down the sugar and the carbs as much as possible. Kasi source of fiber to eh. So, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, busog na busog ka na. So, I highly recommend this lalo sa mga gusto mag-healthy lifestyle, healthy living, and nag-lose ng weight. Next is coconut water. Binigyan ko si Mother Mirna, kaya ano to eh. Kaya inopen niya namin. Tsaka uminom na ako ng isa kanina. Nung kumakain kami ng pizza doon, tsaka chicken. At yung pinaka gusto ko ng coconut water na brand, just because walang sugar. Yung ibang brand, mahal. Ang Kirkland, $11 or $12 lang. 12 pieces. So, pumapatak parang $1 each lang siya, guys. So, it's very affordable. Kaya kung nasa US kayo, gusto niyo ng coconut water, pero hindi kayo makabili ng super mahal, go for Kirkland brand. And then, bumili kami ng extra towels. Unti-unti ako magpapalit ng towels namin. Not because yung luma ay ayaw na namin. Alam mo tayo mga Pilipino, hanggat may gustong gamitin na luma, pwede natin gamitin. Kaya nang idodonate na lang namin iba sa shelter siguro. Pero this one I decided to get the light gray one because yung white, hindi ko masyadong type kasi feeling ko mas dumihin siya. Although ito, it makes sense, yung makita yung dumi. Pero of course, if it smells bad na, put it in the laundry, diba? So, ito ang aming towel. Lagi ko muna siya dito. 2 piraso muna. The next time, bibili tayo ulit ng 2 piraso. Kasi $6 lang naman ito mga guys. Last but not the least, not because I'm alcoholic, Moscato. Masarap to. And then, yung favorite ko sa Costco brand, Sangria. Kirkland brand is really good. Like, hindi siya tulad ng Walmart Great Value kasi Kirkland is a quality brand. Quality yung ingredients sila. And it's really affordable. So, I have a few Kirkland liquors here. Again, I'm not an alcoholic. Sometimes I would like to relax, drink sangria, drink wine. And wine is healthy. Depends on the wine. So, this one has a little bit of sugar. 26 grams. Pero again, kung hindi naman ikaw inom na isang bottle or isang glass ng wine, then it's fine. And the Moscato, there's a little bit of sugar here. Well, actually 20 grams of sugar pala. Pero wala siyang juice. So, it's a little bit sweet than the sangria, but sangria is really sweet. So, I'll put it in the, I call it my bar or my counter. So, I'm planning to put like a wine and coffee bar here. I'm trying to find like a hutch sana sa Facebook Market. Pero ang hirap kasi mabigat. But anyway, ayun nga binili natin na wines from or liquors from Costco. So gorgeous. Ayun ang ating vlog for today. Sobrang nakakapagod. Parang so far, ito yung pinaka nakakapagod na pag-grocery namin kasi super daming tao talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Maaga-aga naman kami umalis today. And nga pala, shout out kay Sis Angel Valdez. So I don't know if she still watches my vlog or I think she watches my vlog. Pero I just wanna say hi. Nakita ko siya kanina. Pretty ng kanyang daughter. And pretty na si Sis Angel, of course. But anyway, it's always good to see people you know. Yeah. I think this is it. I'm gonna end the video here and then I'll just do a separate vlog sa pag-build yung Christmas tree. Hopefully it helps or it would help you guys if you plan to buy the same Christmas tree na bilhin namin sa Walmart today. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this haul video, grocery haul every week as much as I did today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!